All right, well, I'm out here to give the ponies some water and check on the baby because it's snowing again. And I don't see the baby anywhere with its mom. I am like so confused. And I don't see him in the pasture. Like, I don't know why she has been misplacing this baby, but she cannot keep up with him. It's literally so cold. Like, I don't know what she's doing. Well, I think I found him. Why aren't you keeping an eye on him, Mama? It's not good. These two are next. And they look... Alright, I got a few of them that I wasn't supposed to get into here. Like Hannah, the donkey, and Angel over there, but she was gonna come through regardless, so. Got the Herefords in here. They need to be secluded to just this area and inside the barn while it's gonna be this cold this weekend. So now just to figure out how to fill up that water trough. We'll see. Alright, so we're out here this morning. We've got to move hay into the big pasture. We have to check on the cows, make sure they haven't had their calves yet. Fill water, buy 5-gallon buckets. So, what?
You have to actually back up to it.
This trailer gives us so many issues. I don't know if it's because it's old or rusted or what, but we have to mess with it so much before it'll actually be fully connected. But it looks like we got it. Alright, so now we're going to go down here to the hay bales. What are you doing, Miri? What are you doing? We got to go down here and get some hay. Now right there, that cement block that y'all see right there is actually like, it was an old pig barn. Our plan is to have somebody come out here and mess with the concrete and fix it up because, I mean, that would be pretty cool. Probably put some hogs in it and start processing hogs. Let's see how this goes. Alright, it is freezing out there. We got the bale loaded. You can see it back there. But it wasn't very easy, and it is so cold I can like barely feel my hands. That was with gloves on. It's snowing again. I don't know why. We were not supposed to get snow today, I don't think. Maybe we were, but these cows need some hay, so we're bringing them some hay, and this is miserable. We don't like winter. Winter can leave now.
Got Jay in here, and I was right here trying to eat some to eat so
At least get in the fence. Come on.
Mommy's on the TV on YouTube.
Actually getting in? No way. That's wild. Mama made it up. That's awesome. Hey girls, you ready for some hay?
I want to see Hannah.
I'm actually shocked that the Coma made it up this. Hannah and Jenny. Hanging by the honey locust. Are you excited? These are... We're missing one. Yeah. Oh, he's back there. The other ones are up by the barn. They're excited about this bale of hay. Y'all excited? Keep you cozy. Yeah. Nash, what do you think? Hannah and Jenny are coming down to get a bite too. What do you think, Nashy? What do you think, buddy? You sit? Hey, can you sit? Good boy. No. All right, they have hay, so that's good. Now we gotta go to Tractor Supply. We gotta get dog wormer, or dewormer, not wormer, dog dewormer and minerals, because we got these other minerals that we don't normally get. They were a little bit cheaper, and we were gonna see if they liked them. No, they're like, what is this cheap junk? This is not what we want. So they're not touching them. So we're gonna go back and get like the good ones. So we gotta go get those, and we have to go get some dog dewormer. And I gotta clean up the ponies' little area that they have during this winter storm, because it is nasty. It really needed to be done like 2 days ago, but I mean, there's only so much you can do. Look at them. They're all so happy, huh?
Yeah.
Watch out, I'm gonna roll the window down.
Hey everyone, you're having a nice time trying to eat that egg.
Alright, they're all happy. Hannah and Jenny won't sneak in there and get some. Unhooking oh, he's fixing it all man. We're hoping to have all these trees gone by summer. Like, we're gonna clear like all this out. It's gonna look way different. We're gonna keep a few that are up here just for some shade, and right there too, but most of these are all gonna be gone come summer. We're just gonna come out here and just start knocking them all down. Well, where did you come from, Big Steppa? I don't know where he came from. He must have been playing with the neighbors' cows this morning. Are you not cold, buddy? Are you not cold? Hi, buddy. He's just doing his own thing. He's coming to say hello. Snow. Are we tired of the snow yet?
No.
I am.
Well, what I like about snow is, no, I'm going sledding. Right there.
Going sledding.
Yeah, and making snowmans and throwing snowballs.
What about you, Lyric?
No.
You don't like the snow either? I don't either. Me either.
No,
You fell off the sled?
yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Would you rather making snowmans or fighting with snowballs? Mommy did. Okay.
Snowman.
Not there.
Yeah.
I see a piggy. Hi,
Piggy.
hi, Big Steppy. Go eat your food. Okay, bye-bye.
He's excited about the new hay too. He's just gonna go burrow in it.
Cute. Can you have one? Also, nasty, but he's not very scary.
She's coming to say hi. Aren't you, girl?
I'm good. I'm good. Just come and say hi.
They're all hoping that Jeff has minerals, and he don't have any yet. We just gotta fix it, and we're gonna go get them some minerals. Lyric, no ma'am. They're realizing, never mind, he doesn't have any. Alright, out of the pasture we go. Probably going to Tractor Supply soon. Alright, let's check on the other. Y'all don't walk over here, it's ice. Stay with Daddy. This is all still straight ice. I'm gonna come in here. All my birds are doing good except the one that unfortunately passed away the other day. My all black rooster. Hi. See, I gotta clean this out today. It looks rough. Looks rough. Y'all need some water, huh? Need some water? Yeah, you need some water. I don't know what he is doing. I'm gonna check on baby. I don't know what he's doing. Is he okay, mamas? Oh, his coat's messed up. Oh, mamas, his coat. His coat's got his foot. Right, he's okay. His blanket had just got stuck under that front leg. It's a little too big, but it is so cold out here. He has got to have a little jacket on, huh, buddy? It's cold. But I got it on him and he's good. You're a good mama. I know they're supposed to have a baby soon, I think. You are too. Y'all are old. Y'all are oldies here at the farm, huh? Try to stay warm. Gotta get all of these ponies some water, huh? All y'all's buckets are empty. You need some water, buddy. Oh, well, I came back here because I only counted 15 chickens up there. There's 16, 17, and we're missing my favorite rooster. And I come back here to the barn, and unfortunately I found him and he didn't make it, and I'm so sad. So I knew I was missing him because I always check for him and I see him, and I'm so sad about it. He unfortunately must have been way too cold. Yeah, did you get some of them? Are they coming?